How to lock column width in Excel. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to lock column width in Excel so that it stays fixed while allowing other edits. So without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open your Excel file and select the entire sheet by clicking the triangle icon at the top left corner or pressing Ctrl plus A. And after that, right click anywhere on the selection and choose the format cell. After that, navigate to the protection tab and uncheck the locked option and click OK. And once you're done with that, simply go to the review tab at the top and from there simply click on protect sheet. Now in the option, check all the options beside format columns, ensuring users can't resize them. And you can also set a passport if needed. And once you're done with that, you can simply click OK. And after that, you can try adjusting the column width and you will see that you won't be able to do it. However, you will still be able to edit the content of the cell. And that's it. Now you know how to lock column width in Excel while still allowing other changes. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.